Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I am Munib. I am a student. I am studying 7th standard at Chenab Valley Public Higher Secondary School, Doda. I am truly indebted to Institute for Intellectual Development and Chenab Valley for offering us a 1-month personality development workshop to impart values, inculcate manner, instill confidence and brighten our career. Today, I am going to deliver a speech on the topic success. It is not all easy task. It is a gradual process. No one can achieve success in short span. For this reason, you have to keep your patience. People think anybody can achieve success by his or her talent or eligibility. But that is a vague idea. Because in this world, people judge everyone by his or her achievement, not by his or her talent or eligibility. Around you, you must see various people with various status. They may be different either of economic reason or of social reason. This difference is created only by achievement. There is nothing in it. When an employing authority wants to employ any employee, the authority sees qualification before quality. In the same way, is an examination teacher gives marks to his or student on the capacity of solving skill, not on their understanding skill. Everyone has dream of becoming a successful person in life. There is good saying that success is journey, not a destination. If we know how to it is, the definition of success is different for every person. Life is full of challenges and opportunities, but only for those who actually grab the opportunities. I would like to wrap up my speech with this quote of Dr. Sir Muhammad Iqbal. Be aware of your own worth. Use all of your power to achieve it. Create an ocean from dewdrop. Don't beg for light from the moon. Obtain it from the spark within you. Thank you so much indeed for your cooperation and have a wonderful day.